Mara rents a room in a creepy old boarding house. The landlord points to room 6. Never open it, he warns. Strange things happen. At night, whispers come from behind the locked door. Help me. Let me out. They grow louder each night and start saying Mara's name. One night, she finds a key hidden under a loose floorboard, old and rusted. Curiosity wins. She unlocks room 6. Inside is darkness, icy air, and a tall, dusty mirror. Her reflection grins, though she doesn't. The mirror whispers, "Switch places." Her reflection steps out. Frozen, Mara is dragged into the glass. The door slams. The new Mara blends in. But every night, room 6 whispers for the next victim. Subscribe to watch more videos like this.